From Boston's news leader, this is WCVB News Center 5 at 7.
So they're the sunglasses that people like Ed wear, that the stars wear in Hollywood. And they're made right here in Massachusetts by a company in Randolph.
Notice I don't have them. News Center 5's Doug Meehan tells us about the big break that made them famous. Take a look.
Why do Tom Cruise, Johnny Depp, Bradley Cooper, and others in Hollywood love their Randolphs? For this Massachusetts family-owned business, the answer is easy.
They recognize quality. They recognize our heritage, who we stand for, the story behind the company and the name.
That story starts with Peter Vaskevich's dad, Jan, and fellow Polish immigrant, Stanley Zaleski. While working at a company that made tools used in making glasses over in South Boston, the two decided to team up and go at it alone.
This is where it all started.
Their big break came in 1978 when the U.S. government approached Randolph to produce these aviator sunglasses. And by 1982, they had landed the official government contract to outfit all of our military's pilots' eyewear needs.
It's tough to get your foot in the door, but once we got our foot in the door, we haven't stopped since.
The men who had come to this country in search of the American dream were now making important pieces of equipment for those who defend it.
It's a huge pride factor. Try doing this with another pair of glasses.
Peter also points out another point of pride, the craftsmanship and integrity that goes into Randolph's.
Perfection has to be like a piece of jewelry.
With over 200 production steps, these handmade glasses are built to exceed rigid U.S. military standards. But quality is only part of the equation to success. At Randolph, they believe it's something more.
It's a promise to our country, to the state of Massachusetts, that we're going to keep jobs here. It's a promise to our artisans, who we give them a platform to express their talents and their creativity, and it's a promise to our heritage.
In the mid-1970s, 97% of frames sold in the U.S. were manufactured in the U.S. But by the 1980s, most companies went offshore for better profit margins. Not Randolph, they stayed. And now only 3% of eyewear that's sold here is actually made in this country. And thanks to Randolph, you can include them being made in mass. Doug Meehan, WCVB, News Center 5.
See, I love that.
I need those things too, Walk, because I drop them everywhere. I think glasses are like basketballs.